Choose the right conduit for your project that won't be wasteful and will serve to control costs. Our Schedule 40 PVC electrical conduit may be suited to your requirements. Our Schedule 40 PVC conduit meets industrial standards and codes, including the UL listed. Despite the thinner wall of Schedule 40 PVC conduit compared to Schedule 80 PVC conduit, the strength and impact resistance of Schedule 40 PVC conduit is excellent compared to other conduits. Like Schedule 80 PVC conduit, Schedule 40 PVC conduit is suitable for bearing installation. Schedule 40 has a thinner wall for the same dimensions, providing more space for cable installation, greater convenience, and enhanced safety. Our Schedule 40 PVC conduit have excellent characteristics. It's a good choice for underground installations to above-ground applications. They are also ideal for underground applications using concrete encased or direct bearing installations. Our Schedule 40 PVC conduit ensures reliability in harsh outdoor conditions with its UV, temperature, chemical, and corrosion resistant, offering long-lasting performance. And we offer a wide range of sizes to meet your needs, including half inch to 8 inches. Standard lengths are 10 feet or 20 feet with a bell end or knot. Length can be customized. Our products are well liked in North America, used in numerous significant projects, accommodate individualized customization, and meet customer demand, such as the colors and sizes. That's all we shared today. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our website.